Hi everyone, I'm Joey. Today we're going to work on our weekly spread for August. First, we're going to use the Micron 03 to work on our date. Because I personally like putting things in the August place, and like September things in the September place, so I'm going to put 5 days in this weekly spread only. But for the weekly events, I'll put all 7 days here, just to have a glance. Just in case you're curious, the weekly event is like 3 lines each. And for the colors, I'm going to use the Crayola Supertips. They're the best because it's cheap, it got so many colors, and it got the tip which is good for calligraphy and also decorating. And then I'll continue using these 3 colors to part or segregate the space for the day. For example, for Monday I'll use pink, Tuesday I'll use blue, and then Wednesday I use purple. And also you can see that beautiful gradient there, and it looks really relaxing. And afterwards I'll use my Micron 03 to write down a date on it with a circle around it. Just at the end of it, feel free. It can be a star at the very last one, the last purple, because that's notes and it's not a day, so I'll just put a star on it to make sure that I know that it's important. And then I changed into the Micron 01 because I'm writing down like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on the weekly events, just to make sure that I know which day it is when I'm marking it. And then afterwards, it's our time to put down some letterings, or you call it calligraphy, into our weekly spread. And the pen I'm using is from Pentel, Pen Touch in black. This is the best brush pen I've ever used. It's very good for beginners because it's easy to handle, and at the same time you can buy it everywhere. Like I got this from a stationery shop in Hong Kong at 12 Hong Kong dollars. It's slightly more than $1 US, and it comes in 12 colors. But after all, black is my favorite because it goes with all the designs and almost all the colors. I think I got 3 of these in total, and I finished 1 already. This is my go-to brush pen for practicing or just random calligraphy. And because this week has both August and September, so I included both calendars in that little corner so that I can know what's happening in the whole month. Just in case, I'm using the Micron 03 now, and I'm changing to Micron 01 for the dates. And then I go back to my Micron 03 for the decorations. I was having a hard time trying to draw all those tape-like things. I'm trying still. Just don't zoom in, it looks really weird. But I would suggest you to draw a draft first so that you know where the tape will be put, so that you won't draw a line in between, which makes it look weird as well. And then I feel like it's a bit dull over there, so I drew the border for it, but I didn't put everything inside. I only draw the corners, and the draft really helped because I kind of know where it is. And for this one, because I have the 3 color theme, so I chose something really cute and sweet, the donuts, to go with this page. And I stick it with this Kokuyo Dotliner Jr, I think it's called, which is really convenient and friendly. I don't need to make my hands sticky. And there you go, it's our weekly spread. We have a space for our weekly events and also our daily events. Now it's time for you to jot down all the things you have to do and make your week productive. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to know more about my work, please follow my Instagram and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.